time since I know you. Was breaking my back just to hold you. With all of this pain that I go through since I know you. But it's alright, it's okay. Take my heart and walk away. Waste my time and I'll be fine if I don't look down. 'Cause you give me higher. Oh, could you give me higher? Oh, yeah. 'Cause it's been a long time since you've been on my brain. Tell me where do you go so that everything changed? You give me higher. Oh, could never understand all the things you do. Never been a fan of the way you move. Wasting my time, put it all on you. It's all you, but it's alright, it's okay. Take my heart and walk away. Waste my time and I'll be fine if I don't look down. 'Cause you give me higher. Oh, could you give me higher? Oh, yeah. 'Cause it's been a long time since you've been on my brain. Tell me where do you go so that everything changed? You give me higher. Oh, you give me higher. Whoa.
Came to me, you pulled me from the deep, my lightning in the dark, set fire to my heart, never let me go. I see with brand new eyes. No, I've never been so sure. Take my hand, let's run into the unknown. This is the beginning. This is the beginning. This is the beginning. This is the beginning. Where to go? Heaven only knows. Your trust is in my arms, so hold me till the dawn. Never let me go. On and on. Been dreaming for so long. Said we'll make 'em all come true. Now our story's just about to be told. This is the beginning. This is the beginning. This is the beginning. This is the beginning. We can start right here. Push away your fear. We can start right here. Push away your fear. We can almost usually not start anymore. This is the beginning. This is the beginning. We can start right here. This is the beginning. pages turning, I see the candle burning down before my eyes, before my wild eyes. I feel you holding me tighter, I cannot see. When will we finally breathe? Breathe, breathe, pages turning, I see the candle burning down before my eyes, before my wild eyes. And I feel you holding me tighter, I cannot see. When will we finally breathe?
I feel you crumble in my arms down to your heart of stone. You bled me dry just like the tears you never show. Why don't you take what you want from me? Take what you need from me. Take what you wanna go. Why don't you take what you want from me? Take what you need from me. Take what you wanna go.
I never needed anything from you, and all I ever asked was for the truth. You showed your tongue and it was forked in two. Your venom was lethal, I almost believed you. Yeah, you prayed on my every mistake, waited on me to break, held me under hoping I would drown. Like a plague, I was racing away, trying to find my way out, find my way out. And then finally came the day I stopped giving my heart away. For heaven's sake, my bones will break, but you never own my soul. No, I feel you crumble in my arms down to your heart of stone. You bled me dry just like the tears you never show. Why don't you tell you what you want from me? Tell you what you need from me. Tell you what you wanna go. Why don't you tell you what you want from me? Tell you what you need from me. Tell you what you wanna go.
I took them stones you threw, made chains for the crew. I brought up 10 of this coupe, only made for two. They all ran through it, and ain't nothing left to do. I need some more reasons to live out this evening. I've been sipping forever, reaching, taking whatever, hoping, thinking whenever you be back on road. Let's go our ways, whichever you say, how is however long as you know I'll never be alone.
twice. Cross your heart and hope to die. Hold my hand while we fade in the night. Never wanted something so bad. Can you love me? Can you love me? Love me back. Can you love me? Can you love me? Can you love me? Oh, oh. Can you love me? Can you love me? Can you love me? Oh, oh. Can you love me? Can you love me? Can you love me? Can you love me? Show your scars and I'll show mine. Bleed me till my veins are dry. Show me love I've never known. Pull me close and let me go. Never wanted something so bad. Can you love me? Can you love me? Love me back. Can you love me? Can you love me? Can you love me? Oh, oh. Can you love me? Can you love me? Can you love me? Oh, oh. Can you love me? Can you love me? Can you love me? Can you love me?
Honey, I know, wherever you go, I'd give up half of forever. I'd give up half of forever. They don't know, they never will, what we have and how we feel. They can't take this love away. Clouds will come with rain. We'll grow old and gray, but we're not bound by time and space. Honey, I know, wherever you go, I'd give up half of forever. I'd give up half of forever. Offer me up, I'm yours. All of my love, I'm sure. I'd give up half of forever. Give up half of forever just to be with you. Just to be with you. Just to be with you. I'd give up half of forever just to be with you. So baby, be mine when the sun sets, till the day that it doesn't come up yet. Run away till the lungs give up. I'll breathe your air till it turns into honey, I know. Wherever you go, I'd give up half of forever. I'd give up half of forever. Offer me up, I'm yours. All of my love, I'm sure. I'd give up half of forever. I'd give up half of forever just to be with you. Just to be with you. Just to be with you. I'd give up half of forever just to honey, I know, wherever you go, I'd give up half of forever. I'd give up half of forever just to be with you.
Yeah, I know sometimes things may not always make sense to you right now, but hey, what daddy always tell you, straighten up, little soldier, stiffen up that upper lip. What you crying about? You got me. Haley, I know you miss your mom, and I know you miss miss your dad when I'm gone, but I'm trying to give you the life that I never had. I can see you sad, even when you smile, even when you laugh. I can see it in your eyes, deep inside you wanna cry, cause you're scared. I ain't there, daddy's with you in your prayers. No more crying, wipe them tears, daddy's here, no more nightmares. We gon' pull together through it, we gon' do it. Laney uncle's crazy, ain't he? Yeah, but he loves you, girl, and you better know it. We're all we got in this world, when it spins, when it swirls, when it whirls, when it twirls. Two little beautiful girls looking puzzled in a daze. I know it's confusing you, daddy's always on the move, mama's always on the news. I try to keep you sheltered from it, but somehow it seems the harder that I try to do that, the more it backfires on me. All the things growing up as daddy that he had to see, daddy don't want you to see, but you see just as much as he did. We did not plan it to be this way, your mother and me, but things have got so bad between us. I don't see us ever being together ever again, like we used to be when we was teenagers. But then of course everything always happens for a reason. I guess it was never meant to be, but it's just something we have no control over, and that's what destiny is. But no more worries, rest your head and go to sleep. Maybe one day we'll wake up and this'll all just be a dream. Now hush, little baby, don't you cry, everything's gonna be alright. Stiffen that up, pull it up, little lady. I told ya, daddy's here to hold ya through the night. I know mommy's not here right now, and we don't know why. We feel how we feel inside. It may seem a little crazy, pretty baby, but I promise mama's gonna be alright. It's funny, I remember back one year when daddy had no money. Mommy wrapped the Christmas presents up and stuck them under the tree and said some of them were from me, cause daddy couldn't buy them. I'll never forget that Christmas. I sat up the whole night crying, cause daddy felt like a bum. See, daddy had a job, but his job was to keep the food on the table for you and mom. And at the time, every house that we lived in either kept getting broken into and robbed or shot up on the block. And your mom was saving money for you in a jar, trying to start a piggy bank for you so you could go to college. Almost had $1,000 till someone broke in and stole it. And I know it hurt so bad it broke your mama's heart, and it seemed like everything was just starting to fall apart. Mom and dad was arguing a lot, so mama moved back on the Chalmers in a flat 1-bedroom apartment, and dad moved back to the other side of 8 Mile on Novara. And that's when daddy went to California with his CD and met Dr. Dre, and flew you and mama out to see me. But daddy had to work, you and mama had to leave me. Then you started seeing daddy on the TV, and mama didn't like it, and you and Laney were too young to understand it. Papa was a Rolling Stone, mama developed a habit, and it all happened too fast for either one of us to grab it. I'm just sorry you were there and had to witness it firsthand, cause all I ever wanted to do was just make you proud. Now I'm sitting in this empty house, just reminiscing, looking at your baby pictures. It just trips me out to see how much you both have grown. It's almost like your sisters now. Wow, I guess you pretty much are, and daddy's still here. Laney, I'm talking to you too. Daddy's still here, I like the sound of that chair. It's got a ring to it, don't it? Shh, mama's only gone for the moment. Now hush, little baby, don't you cry, everything's gonna be alright. Stiffen that up, pull it up, little lady. I told ya, daddy's here to hold ya through the night. I know mommy's not here right now, and we don't know why. We feel how we feel inside. It may seem a little crazy, pretty baby, but I promise mama's gonna be alright. And if you ask me to, daddy's gonna buy you a mockingbird. I'ma give you the world. I'ma buy a diamond ring for you. I'ma sing for you. I'll do anything for you to see you smile. And if the mockingbird don't sing and that ring don't shine, I'ma break that birdie's neck. I go back to the jeweler who sold it to ya and make him meet every carat. Don't f with that.
Oh, so your wounds they show. I know you have never felt so low. But hold on, head up, be strong. Oh, hold on until you hear them come. Here they come, oh. Take an angel by the wings, beg her now for anything, beg her now for one more day. Take an angel by the wings, time to tell her everything, ask her for the strength to stay. and don't ask why. Oh, just take an angel by the wings. Beg her now for anything. Beg her now for one more day. Take an angel by the wings. Time to tell her everything. Ask her for the strength to stay. My name or how I'm running this room around, and that I'm still half your age. Yeah, you're looking at me like I'm some sweet escape. Obvious that you want me, but I said I would want myself. I'll put you through hell. I would want myself. But please with me, I'll put you through hell. Just know me, yeah. I would want myself. I can't tell if you love or hate me. Never met someone like that. Drive me so crazy. Did you know you got that effect? I said, let me check, yeah. I would want myself. Let me please believe me. I'll put you through hell. Just know me, yeah. So sure of yourself. Baby, don't get greedy. That shit won't as well.
don't trust nobody. I don't even trust my mind. I'm losing everybody. They can never take the grind. People always switching sides. People always hit my line. Never ask me how I'm doing. They just wanna waste my time. See, I don't hate nobody. Just stay up on my life and I won't hurt nobody. So just stay up on my sights. People always pull me down. Neighbors told me that I drown. When you living how I'm living, all these leeches come around. So we don't trust nobody. We don't even trust our minds. We're losing everybody. From them drugs to suicide. I was always getting high. Never took a look outside. I was living in the dark, thinking I would never shine. No, I got everybody. If I want it, then it's mine. See, I help everybody. I gave it back when it was time. I was broken, I was down. I was lost, but now I'm found. I was fighting in the trenches with no one ever around. So fuck everybody. If you want it, come and get it. I won't hurt nobody. I'm on motherfucking minutes. I was showering at the school. I was sleeping out the Civic. I was skipping all my meals. I was reaching all my limits. I don't trust nobody. I don't even trust my mind. I'm losing everybody. They can never take the grind. People always switching sides. People always hit my line. Never ask me how I'm doing. They just wanna waste my time. See, I don't hate nobody. Just stay up on my life and I won't hurt nobody. So just stay up on my sights. People always pull me down. Neighbors told me that I drown. When you living how I'm living, all these leeches come around. They robbed all my money and I'll never get it back. I don't find nobody, cause I'm coming fucking back. I just listen to my lawyers, but the judge don't listen back. See, they got this full disclosure and they coming for my neck. They don't know shit about me, so just give me my respect. All the music that I made, I ain't never got a check. I've been doing all this shit with like 2 hands behind my back. I just focus on my shows, cause that's the only thing that's left. You don't know shit about me, it's the reason why you don't come around. You scared of me cause I'm talking loud. You can blow that smoke, won't come around. You can talk that shit but don't know about it. See, I see that shit but I don't talk about it. But I will scream and I'll still be rowdy, cause it's 5 years and I don't know shit and I'm still drowning like fuck.
Alright, it's going down, it's going down. Everybody sit down, sit down, sit down. It's about to go down, it's about to go down. Here come Tyson in. Here come Tyson in. Look at that nigga look mean as hell. Yeah. Big motherfucking Mike Tyson in this biatch. Yes, Death Row say so. Let's do it to him. Let's get ready to rumble. Let's get ready to rumble. Where they at, where they at, where they at? Where you at, where you at, where you at? Where you at, where you at? All they see is black venoms in my silhouette. Just watch the fear reappear in their eyes when I hit the set. Oh no, Tupac with Team Tyson was seldom seen. I am Mike Cut's hair like a guillotine. Time for some action. You making me high like Tony Braxton, but the switcher like Dennis Rodman. Still mashing. I put my hand up to God. Life is hard, filled with stress. Throwing blows in this square circle to see who's best. Mike don't hurt him. Why they swing? What they need? Tyson put him up his head, touch the whole Coliseum. Better act up when I see him. We loud in the front row. Hype up the crowd. If you don't like it, what you come for? All hell. You fortified to fail the bed stop. Ass kickers with the water like a shark's tail. Still struggling. May God help me bubble. Hit the ring, do my thing. All opposed feel trouble. Get it on. Let's get ready to run, pal. Let's do this. Yeah. You know. Let's get it on. Throw your hands up. Throw your hands up. Where they at? Where they at? So what you want now? So what you want? What you want now? So what you want? What you want now? So what you want? Yeah. So what you want now? So what you want now? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at now? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at now? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at now? Hey, yo, Holyfield, you next. Right, left, the left, right. I seen him stir. What? He didn't duck and got stuck with your uppercut. Now hear the crowd screaming. It's like they fiending. Oh, don't you love how that black man swing? We keep it real. Tell Holyfield he next in line to get his heart problem checked before he stepped in mine and himself. A heart I'm a soldier, it's too late now. I tried to told you, get it on. Let's get ready to rumble. Yes, yes, let's get on. So what you want now? So what you want now? So what you want now? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at now? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at now? So what you want now? So what you want now? I bring it to you now. I bring it to you now. So what you want now? So what you want? What you want now? So what you want? What you want now? So what you want? Yeah. So what you want now? So what you want now? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at now? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at now? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at now? Hey, yo, hold it there. You next. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at now? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at now? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at now? Yo, hey, hey, you next. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at now? Let's get ready to rumble. Let's do it. Let's put it on. Ghetto shit. Out on the bed. Fresh out of jail. Let's put it on. Let's get ready to rumble. Let's do it to it. Take the road. Yes. Yeah. You next. Where you at? Yeah. Take Tyson, the theme song.
with you. Just to be with you. I'd give up, half up forever just to be with you. So baby, be mine when the sun sets, till the day that it doesn't go up, yeah. Run away till the lungs give up. I'll breathe your air till it turns into sunny.
Be